Everybody,
Hello,
this is Edwin.
this is Jason.
So,
Welcome to our factory genuine machine.
yes, welcome. So, why today we here? Because outside raining, so we stand here to instruction our factory for you.
Okay. So recently is raining season, right?
Yes, outside
Oh.
raining season.
Okay. So today it's a pleasure. We can show you our gate.
Yes. So let us introduce our factory for you. Our factory establishment in 1997 and have long time for producing the fuel dispenser, LPG dispenser, CNG dispenser, and spare parts. We are near the highway, just 500 meters.
Oh, so near.
Yes,
Only
it's a
500 meter.
Yes, loading.
Highway.
Yes, in loading container is very easily. Our nearest port is Ningbo port. Even we can ship into Shanghai seaport. It's based on you.
I have one question.
Yes.
The truck from Ningbo port to our factory, how long?
Usually 4 hours or,
4 hours.
yes, sometimes faster, 3.5 hours.
So very near.
Yes. We here have the beauty train station. We go to beauty train station only need 15 minutes. It's very near.
Wow.
Yeah.
So how many stations? I heard there are many fast train stations
Yes.
near our factory.
Yes, no, some 30 minutes, some 1 hours, based on you. But the nearest one is in our towns.
In our towns,
Yeah.
only 15 minutes.
Yes, only 15 minutes.
Good, very good. The convenient is the transportation is very good.
Yes.
Convenient.
Even we go to airport, only 45 minutes.
Oh, airport.
Yes.
The airport is international airport.
Yes, international airport.
The port name is
Longwan Airport.
Longwan International
Airport, yes.
Oh, okay.
You can take the flight from Guangzhou to Longwan International Airport. It's just 2 hours.
2 hours.
Yeah. Or even you can take the flight from Beijing to Longwan International Airport. Same 2 hours.
Same 2 hours.
Yes.
Okay. So I think the transportation is very convenient. No matter we by air or by train,
Yeah.
fast train, and we have many options.
Yes.
Uh, so I think we can ship the goods ship the goods to foreign countries by Ningbo port.
Yes. Usually Ningbo port.
Ningbo is the nearest one to our factory.
Yes.
And also
Yeah.
Shanghai port.
Yes.
Okay, possible. But I have one question.
Yeah.
Many foreign customers stay in EU,
Yes.
Guangzhou.
Yes.
Is it possible to send the goods to EU and Guangzhou?
Yes. We deliver goods to EU warehouse. Usually 1 day is enough.
One day. So
Today we shipping. Tomorrow you will receive our goods in your EU warehouse.
okay. More and more foreigners stay in EU, Guangzhou, Shanghai. So we can also solve the problem for the transportation to EU and Guangzhou.
Yes. We
How many days if we send the goods to Guangzhou city?
from Guangzhou City arrive your warehouse usually 2 or 3 days.
2 or 3 days.
Because this about 1,400 kilometers longer.
Wow, it's very far.
Yes.
And how about the package? Long distance. Shall we use the wooden case or hard carton?
Hard carton enough for inland transfer. It's no problem because we transfer many to Guangzhou or Yiwu. And the wooden case, if you prefer protect your products more better, it's more you can take the wooden case, but the cost a little higher by wooden case.
Okay. And I have one question too.
Yes.
We have many customers from Cambodia. It looks they always export the goods through Guangzhou.
Yes.
They have many logistics in Guangzhou city.
Yes.
How about the neighboring country?
We can send to Ruili some customers from Myanmar. They prefer
Myanmar.
this
Okay.
to theirs.
Okay, Edwin, can you introduce some customers? How many countries has have our machine to export to?
It's too many.
Two,
If
okay.
it's in Asia, like the Philippines
Philippines,
and the Laos,
Laos,
Yunnan,
okay.
Myanmar,
Myanmar,
Thailand,
Thailand,
Indonesia.
Indonesia,
Oh, this is Asia's.
okay.
Asia, no, like Pakistan,
Okay,
even have India's people, but it's little, a little smaller order quantity.
okay.
Pakistan, we have bigger customers.
Mm.
Thailand also we have bigger customers. Even we can have the Middle East Asians like uh,
Thailand, Philippines,
no, Middle East,
Middle East, okay,
Middle East.
Saudi Arabia,
Yes, yes, yeah,
Saudi Arabia, and Yemen.
Yemen, yes,
Okay, many countries, right? And
And-
Afghanistan
yes,
and Syria.
yes,
Okay, we export many goods. Also, does we do we export goods to Africa?
yes. Africa, many countries like Egypt, Ethiopia, Cameroon, Kenya, Ethiopia, Tanzania, and Mozambique, Nigeria, Ghana, many. Almost all of Africa country we had sales goods.
Very good. So we cover many countries,
Yes.
different all over the world.
Yes,
Oh, it's a good news.
Yeah.
If any customer from these countries, if you heard of that, you can follow us. You can contact us for more information.
yes,
All right. So now
yes,
let's introduce our workshop to the customers.
yes. You can see our backside. They are assembling the fuel dispenser. This is our new design, but not complete yet. This is the first step. You can see our workers install the flow meter.
This is our assembly line, right? Okay. So when all parts are ready, we begin to assemble from here.
Yes,
This is the first step.
yes.
This is the first step.
First,
Today, our task is assembling for submersible machine.
yes,
Right? This is a submersible type.
yes. You can see submersible type, just the flow meter, and the bank down is filters. There are no pump,
Why no pump?
because pump and install on the tanks.
Oh, pump
Install on tanks.
inside the tank.
tanks.
That's we call it a
Submersible pump.
Okay.
They will push the oil through the piping line. Come here.
So the submersible pump will push the oil to the machine.
Yes, yes. For suction, they are usually use a pump to suction the oil come.
So I think later we can show the suction design to our customers.
Yes,
right?
yes. So let us see our first step to assembling the fuel dispenser
Okay,
bodies.
so let's see how the workers assemble the parts.
Yes,
Now they are assemble the filter, right? Connect with the flow meter.
yes. Install the flange. Piping line later, you will see it. Take off this cover, we install the parcel.
Edwin, the block flow motor, do you have the model name?
Model name, we call the ZCM gun. This is MTK3. This is talking type.
Tolkien, okay. Oh, I heard it, Tolkien.
Yeah.
Tolkien is popular in Africa.
Yes, many Africa.
But this machine, for which country? For which market?
This is for Yemen.
Why Yemen also use Tolkien?
Uh,
But
the-
I learned
Yes,
Tolkien is popular in Africa.
yes, but some countries still prefer use a token. This is based on customer user. If you prefer use another token and Tatasuno together, we can do it also.
So it depends on the market,
And the customer.
customer's market.
Yeah.
Tolkien. Do you know what kind of the material for Tolkien flow meter?
Coast iron. Cast iron.
Or cast iron. So I think it's very heavy.
Yes, it's very heavy. Yeah, it's very heavy. If you don't believe, you can try.
Ah.
Now,
Maybe I can't lift it.
Yes.
Too heavy.
This is outlet.
Outlet. Okay, here is outlet.
Inlet.
From it. Bottom
Is the inlet. Inlet bottom, outlet on top.
For submersible design, no pump inside, but we install the filter inside.
Yes.
The filter can help the flow meter to reduce any dirty,
Yes, to clean the oil.
clean the oil. Okay, make the oil pure.
Pure and to protect the flow meter.
Okay, it can protect the flow meter. We can see. We put the nozzle hold at the front and the back.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. It looks only 2 flow meters. So this machine is
2 nozzles.
2 nozzles. And how many products?
Because you can see this has the 2 filters, right?
2 filter inside.
2 filters have 2 piping line.
2 piping lines.
So you can have 2 products.
2 products.
If just one filter, 2 flow meter, only 1 piping line, only from only 1 product.
Okay, 1 product. Okay. So let me repeat it. Have 2 filter, 2 product, 2 flow meter. So it used for 2 nozzles. It's used for 2 nozzles.
2 products.
What kind of this machine? What model?
It's we usually 2 SP. SP means submersible pump. First 2 is 2 product. Second 2 is 2 flow meter. Third 2 is for
Nozzle.
nozzles
Nozzle
and the hose.
This is for 2 products, 2
Nozzles. You can see our nozzle bolt in front, right? If you prefer in pair side, we can do it also. It's no problem.
Oh, we can put the nozzle hold at side panel or at front and back.
Yes, based on
We accept customized.
yes.
This design is
It's our new design. We call the make.
make it design.
Because this is named by our colleague Links. They think our is a maker. For fuel dispenser factory, we make the design, so we call the make.
All right, we make everything here. We make the fuel dispenser. We make everybody, the operator, to enjoy the feeling.
Yes.
So we name it.
Yes.
Make it design.
Yes.
Hope everybody can remember it. If you like it, you can follow up.
Yes. So this side we will install the controller. Before the controller is like this one. Now we produce vertical.
So now we install it vertical.
Vertical because it's more easy to maintain it. So you can see it. It's no problem.
All right. So we make it install like vertical mode, vertical direction. Vertical direction. All right. No, we can see the controller here. Later we show you how we install the controller.
Yes.
So it can be more convenient to make the maintenance.
Yes. But sometimes I meet the one customer. They want to install a box to protect the controller. Nobody to install and take off. They want to make a series. This customer from Indonesia. This morning call answer.
Okay. I think token flow meter is popular in Africa,
Yes.
especially for Nigeria and Tanzania and Tanzania.
Tanzania and Ethiopia. And Mozambique also like this one.
Okay.
So don't worry, I to see it.
The work will finish the assembling soon. Now we fix the filter.
Yes.
Let me try. It's strong. Don't worry.
Yes.
It's very strong.
You can see this one. It can do little calibration,
Okay. Here for calibration. All right.
but don't turn too hard. Turn too hard will damage inside. Just a smaller one, a little, not too much. Like 1%. It's in yes, like one.
Kind of meter calibration.
Yeah,
Reach 1%.
1% around. If you prefer too much, they will damage you directly.
Calibration. This is for calibration. If the accuracy is not, if the filling is not accurate, we can make the calibration here. We can make the calibration here.
So this is for mathematical types for calibration. We have the controller can do it also, but the controller not ready yet. So now install the filter and fix it on the collected locations. Inside have the filter. You can take it off directly. For if you use the dissolves, our engineer suggestion you clean the filter around 1 month around. If you feeling not 1 month, it's 1 month also, because dissolve sometimes little dirty. If you feeling gasoline and the fuel is is pure, you can just clean the filter like 3 months around.
Ah. So I think the filter depend on the media quality.
Yes,
If
yes.
the quality is good,
Yes.
we don't need to clean it.
Per month.
Okay, all right.
If quality is better, had better per
So
month you clean.
it looks they have finished the job. Let me ask the work.
Yeah.
到完了是吧？Okay, finish. The first step we have finished. We finished. This is token black one. Token from meter, filter, and the frame.
And another.
The first step we
another
finished.
Piping line not yet. Piping line is next
All right.
step.
Just now we have seen the submersible model.
Yes.
Now let's see which kind is the suction model.
Yes.
Edwin,
Yes.
this one is absolutely different.
Yes.
Okay, give me some information.
Yeah. Yes. So we can see this is suction one, a motor firstly, then
Okay,
pump,
suction.
flow meter, then another board is outside.
Oh, okay. Now I think I get the difference.
Yeah.
This is suction model, right?
Yes,
Suction model. I see the pump inside the machine. That one, just now, that one the worker is assembling is a submersible pump.
Yes.
No pump inside the fuel dispenser. But this one you can see, we see different. Absolutely different. Motor, pump, flow meter. Okay, this is aluminum.
Yes. Different.
Different. So I think it will be a little
Light.
light, not so heavy.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Not so heavy, so I think it's convenient and easy for the worker to assemble.
Yes. Yes.
I
But also the name also different.
Okay, this name different. What name?
It's a Tentasuno one. It's popular in Southeast Asians.
Tensioner.
Yes. We have
Tensioner.
yes,
It's a gear pump or wind pump?
It's a gear pump.
It's
In-ear
gear
use
pump.
gear to suction. So motor running in-ear gear to suction oil come through the flow meter. Flow meter has pass running in a signal to our main board.
Okay.
Main board have signal. The cylinder valve open. The fuel come out.
All right. Suction. So the motor is exproof type.
Yes, must be explode.
And what's the horsepower?
Horsepower is 1 HP.
1 horsepower.
Yes.
Okay. The motor specification is 1 horsepower.
You can
1
see-
horsepower.
Yes.
For standard flow rate.
For standard one.
How many liter per minute can it reach this machine?
This machine flow rate is 45 liter per minute.
45 liter per minute. Flow rate. This kind of pump, the flow rate can reach 45 liter per minute. 45. Can I select a high flow rate with
Yes.
same gear pump?
Yes, could be, but little different. Flow rate will be high flow rate. We need to change the hose and another
Another
around 30 liter per minute. If you use
30, 70.
70 liter.
Okay.
70 liter.
High flow rate. Make it higher, not
Use
lower.
它送的one.
Okay. So you mean we need to change the hose? We need to change the nozzle.
Yes.
The standard what size for the hose and the nozzle?
It's 1 inch.
The standard one,
Standard one is 3/4.
3/4. Okay.
Yes.
The standard one for normal flow rate is
It's
3/4. But if we wanted to get high flow rate, 70
Yeah.
liter per minute,
Yes.
we need to change it into 1 inch hose and the nozzle,
Nozzles.
swivel, solenoid
Those
valve,
are ours.
right?
Yes.
So we can get 70 liter per minute.
Yes.
Good.
So the Tatasuna pumps has 2 filters, the inlet filters and the outlet filters.
Oh, this kind of pump have two
2 filters. Different.
inlet filter
yes.
and outlet filter.
Yes.
Good. Two filters to protect the pump.
Yes. Inlet filter to protect the pumps. Outlet filter to protect our flow rate also.
All right. Okay.
Another pumps usually only 1 filter for inlet directly.
Oh, as normal.
As
As normal,
normal.
only 1 filter for 1 pump.
Yes.
But this kind of pump, we call it gear pump.
Gear pump.
Gear pump, it has 2 filters. One in inlet, another one outlet.
Outlet. So the calibration way little different with tokens. This in this side
Oh, this is the calibration.
for measurement
Okay.
calibration. So
Oh,
now
different.
you can see install the controller for install.
Oh, you just now you said we install the controller vertical
Vertical type,
direction,
yeah.
like this way. So we can see many parts, electronic parts.
Yes. Now this is our main board to control this one, control the whole field dispensers.
Oh, main board.
Yes, main
Some
board.
customer also call it CPU board.
Also motherboard.
Oh, motherboard. Okay, this is the CPU board.
Yes.
Motherboard, main board.
Yes.
Different customer name it different.
So this is a power board to supply the powers for.
Okay, this is the power board.
This is a battery for backup. Sometimes we finish, suddenly power off. They will supply power to the display to save the last filling time. Last filling
battery.
data. Yeah.
The battery
So,
to make the display can show the last
the
filling
filling
data.
Yes.
How long can it last?
How long usually it can be 12 hours or sometimes 24 hours. Just
So long?
Yeah, it's just the display light. Just display the powers. Another no need.
You mean the battery can support the LCD display to show the last filling data
Data.
on the display?
Right, yes.
Oh, so the worker can write down the filling data.
You can get the money.
Okay, so we don't need to worry about it.
Yeah.
If power off,
Yes.
this battery can still
Working.
support the display to work. We can get the last filling data.
It's recharge type. So when you have the power, they will charge the battery again to have the battery.
So when power on,
Yeah.
it will be rechargeable again.
Yes.
Okay.
So you don't need to change the battery, just keep it. It's okay. So you can.
What's this?
It's a transformer.
Transformer.
Yes. This is a filter.
Filter.
This is SSR.
Relay.
Relay. Also
Okay.
relay.
Relay control which part?
Motors.
Motor. Okay. Relay control motor. So two motor.
Two relay. Yes.
Okay. Oh, what's this?
Oh, this is a stabilizer. Our customer like that. Because sometimes filling stations power not stable.
Power not stable.
They want
Power-
to protect our controller. They install the stabilizer to make the power stable. Then the controller can work in a long times.
So some countries, some region,
Yes.
the power is not stable, too high or too low.
Yeah.
So we use the stabilizer to protect the controller, make the controller to work perfect.
Even we can install the bigger one for the stabilizer for the whole field dispenser, protect motors and the mainboard controllers. This will be like 5 kVA. So this based on you. That smaller one is 500
VA.
VA just to protect the controller.
So you mean the smaller size,
Yes.
500 VA, to protect the controller
Yes.
enough.
Yes.
If we wanted to protect the motor controller together
Yes.
for two product, two nozzle, we need to select the big size,
Yes.
5 kVA,
yes.
to protect both of them.
If sometime broken, right? The motor not running and the operation not good. Usually the capacity broken, not the motor broken. Sometimes you need to back up some capacity for the motors. If your station not power not stable.
You mean power not stable,
Stable.
maybe will damage the motor. Maybe the capacity
T
gone
broken,
bad.
come bad.
No-
No, the whole motor come bad.
So maybe we just need to replace the capacity. We can solve the problem.
Yes.
So I think a mechanic need to check it carefully. The motor gone better or capacity or the coil. So we check it when if you have experience. Nice.
Yes.
It looks very convenient for maintenance. If we met any problem, so we just need to open the controller box. We can see everything. We can see all the parts inside. This CPU board. This CPU board. Edwin will introduce more information to everybody later. This is our new model.
Yes.
How many types of CPU board we have?
We have 3 types.
Oh, 3 types.
Yes.
Model A,
Model
B,
B, Model
and
3,
Model C.
3.
We have 3 type CPU board.
But
Model A, B, C.
But the power board the same.
Power board
the
same.
Yes.
Oh, I get confused. It looks Model A and B use the same power board. Model C power board is different.
Okay. Yes.
Oh, right? It's different.
Yes.
How about the Tension gear pump? If we can I make it for 4 nozzle, 6 nozzle, 8 nozzles?
Yes. Available. Just based on you, we can make 2 nozzle, 4 nozzle, 6 nozzle, even 8 nozzles.
Oh, we can use the Tension gear pump to
Some
design.
today morning we get inquiry. Some customer prefer answer make 10 nozzles. We can do it. No problem.
10 nozzles.
Yes, it's
All
very
right.
big size.
Very big. So token pump and flow meter is heavy.
Yes.
As normal, we will suggest use Tension gear pump for over 4 nozzles, 6 nozzles, 8 nozzles,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Otherwise, the machine is too heavy because token pump and flow meter is heavy.
Too big.
So we will suggest you use the Tension gear pump
Yes.
for 4 nozzles, 6 nozzles, 8 nozzles, even 10 nozzles.
Yes. Talking flow-meter and pump, the size value also big.
Okay.
So
right.
you install more than 4 nozzles, like 6, 8 nozzles.
Oh, I see.
The value also big, also heavy. Not easy for loading.
I see. I get it. So the customers use token flow meter for submersible design.
Yes.
Make the machine smaller.
Yes.
Okay.
We can loading quantity raise up. So
How many can load for one container? 40 feet container. How many can load?
40 feet container, we usually could loading 48 or 50s.
48 pieces and 50 pieces.
20 feet container, we can loading 22 or 24 units.
22 or
24, yeah.
Depend on different design and the size.
Yes.
So 20 feet can load around maybe 25 pieces. But for 40 feet container, it can load 48 pieces.
Yes, 48
48 pieces.
Yes.
This is the normal size, not too big.
Yes.
Can we export the machine by ear?
Why not? We can do it.
Can.
Can.
I heard one colleague he exported over 20 pieces to Ethiopia by air.
Yes, it's our colleagues.
So I think the shipping cost is very expensive.
It's increasing price, but we can do it, no problem. We can service for you.
Because by air we maybe need to make the machine shorter,
Yes,
right?
we
Can it be
can
too high?
we can put it down. It's no problem. We need to protect the one side. You
Okay.
should have told me firstly, so we can make the customer packaging for you for the by ear.
We also accept the customized packaging.
Yes.
Okay, so nice. How many how many how many machines can we produce per month?
Per
I
month.
wanted to know the
Capacity.
yeah,
or
capacity.
Oh. Our capacity for now is 500 units one per month. If we can work a day or night, maybe arrive to 800 pieces.
Oh, so many, so many. Okay, so capacity is 500 units per month.
Yes. This is for connect the cables, supply the power from here.
A
It's
power supply. We connect the power supply by this EX box. This machine is for single phase or two or three phase.
Single phase.
Single phase to 220.
220. Yeah.
Alright.
If you prefer use three phase, we can no problem for you for produce for you 380 voltage. We are changing the motors.
Change the motor.
Motors.
Motor is different, 380.
Yes.
We can also make it 380 voltage.
We also can make a 110.
Oh, 110.
110 we get order from customer last year is from the South Africa.
Oh, South
South
Africa.
Africa.
South Africa make it the motor, the power
110.
voltage. All right.
But the standard one we export the most one is 220s.
And this design, which design is this?
This is a Yangtian design.
Yangtian design. Okay.
Yangtian
series.
Yangtian II, second one.
Okay. We have many different design, right?
If you want the catalog, co-answer or follow answer, we will email you or WhatsApp you. If we have WeChat more better, we can WeChat directly.
Okay. So when all parts are ready, we begin to assemble.
Yes.
After finish assemble, we will test in the testing platform. We have 5 testing platforms.
Yes.
And now let's show you our testing platform.
Okay.
We have many order at hand, so the workshop it looks crowded.
So you can see as a floor, we see some the fuel dispensers, some to Egypt, some to Yemen, some to Thailand.
Okay, now let's see the testing platform. We have 5 testing platform. We have prepared one machine for testing, show everybody. And now let's see.
Yes.
This is our another design, Grand Series. This is our another design, Grand Series.
So firstly, power not usually on. Let me power off firstly.
Power off.
There are no power.
아니, 난 beginner 18개 CBCB 그 Okay, machine is ready for testing now. So now we will power on and show the machine how it works when power on. When power on. Okay, Edwin, I see the display. It
Yes.
shows still the gallon price.
Yes.
It's gallon. We can also make it by gallon, right?
We
I-
can make by later. US gallon, UK gallon.
Okay, UK gallon, US gallon, also later, right? We can make it.
It's no problem. Yes.
All right.
Now you can see another side of the display, no backlight, no data. The keypad, no backlight, no data. So what happened? I can show you.
Moment, please. Let me check. All right. We didn't see the backlight for the keypad and the display board. What happened? So let's check it.
You can see no anything.
No backlight. Why no backlight when power on? Is something wrong with the machine?
No, just the carbon you don't connect.
Oh, we don't connect the cable, so we need to check it. If the display board keypad has no backlight, we need to check the cable, whether the cable loose or disconnect.
This smaller one is for the display.
The smaller one is for display.
Now you can see.
Okay, power on. Okay, we see it.
The bigger one is for the keypad.
Oh, keypad. Oh, this socket is for keypad, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I see the backlight. It's on now. Has backlight. Anyway, can you introduce me some information about the CPU board?
Yes.
Can you give me some idea? Because some customer buy it first time.
Yes.
He doesn't know the CPU board. 你要不上外一块都给摆嘞，带中奖的。
So you can see here, this is connected for the systems. You can use our 正程 systems, genuine machine system.
Oh, this I think for post system, right?
Yes,
You
post
mean post system?
Yeah.
Which kind of protocol can we support?
RS485. Or even we can connect with
Can
we can support for we can connect
Oh, sorry.
we can connect with ITL and PTS and IFIS and the gas kit also. We also
Oh.
can connect with Tatasuno directly.
Oh, okay. So our CPU board can work with many different post systems.
Yes. You can see here, firstly has a password right on that.
Moment, please. I have one question.
Yes.
For the protocol, we can connect with the, you say, gas kit.
Yes, gas kit.
Gas kit is from which country?
It's for Russia.
Russia.
Yes.
So gas kit is very famous in Russia,
Yeah.
in Middle Asia.
Yes.
Okay.
Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, like some Sudan, like this one.
Okay. It can connect with the gas kit from Russia for Middle Asia market. It can also connect with the PTS.
Yes.
PTS is from Ukraine.
Yes, you're correct.
Ukraine. Ah.
So you can see here, parcel 1, parcel 2. This 2 is
So you mean this CPU board is used for two nodes?
yes, 2 nodes. Even our this
Parcel
one,
1, parcel 2. All right.
even this one we can use for single node. No
Oh, it can be used for both single and double node.
Yes. You can see is a totalizer 1, totalizer 2.
Ah.
This is for connect totalizer.
动作三个啊。
This is for
Node
down 1.
Node switch. Right?
Down 1, the lighter is down 1, down 2.
Ah.
Is for the node switch.
Node
Node
switch. Okay. And this is for keypad.
This is for
Which is node 1?
keypad 1,
Okay.
keypad 2.
All right.
Display 1, display 2.
All right.
Here is output, the power output. This is for the LED.
LED. Ah.
This is for the printing.
All right. This is for printer.
Printer.
This is for printer.
Printer
你就
also.
反正那个，因为
Printer also has printer 1, printer 2.
print 1, print 2. All right. Okay, let's see. When the power on, we can see there is two lights.
Yes.
Two light is on. It means the CPU board is ready. Is ready for work.
For operation. So we can see now. For the start, have the 2 ways. We press the start. One moment. You can see motor running.
Oh, when you press start, motor run.
So sorry, it's another just open.
Not open. Not stop.
You can see motor running. Just 2 lights is here. It's,
This two light.
ME is a motor.
M1, M1.
M1 is a motor. V1 is a valve. It's following the valves.
Okay.
These are full already.
This two light means motor and the valve are ready.
Already.
The CPU board gets the signal from the valve and the motor. Two lights are on.
So let us feeling like
眼定过去。
let us score firstly. Shift manual. Filling gallon or
So it means it's equal to G, symbol G. G means gallon. All right. P means money, right? Seal.
so let us filling maybe 5 gallon.
Oh, you mean fill by preset, right? Fill by preset 5 gallons.
Now you can see motor running and then let us open the knob.
Two lights are on. Two lights are on. Okay.
This
And
this
the
light is for the
pulser.
pulser.
Oh, this just now. This socket is the pulser. When the machine is ready, the pulser light is on. The pulser light is on. LED light is on. So we open the nozzle. Okay, it began to calculate. It began to calculate. Let me see what happened about the light. Two lights flash in turn. It means the pulser is working. The pulser is working.
It's a small for rate, high for rate lighting direction.
So just now we set it by preset filling.
Reset filling 5 gallons
5 gallons. No? So it will stop at 5 gallons.
direction.
Let's see what happened. The machine will just, all right, I see. The valve, one light off.
Yes, the valve one light off because valves one is for big valves. The high flow rate valve, motor and low flow valve connect together. When the arrive with the 5 gallons smaller one, the big valve closed. Just high flow rate valve closed and the low flow rate valve open to make the accuracy more higher.
Just now we see we can fill by preset 5 gallons. But can we fill preset by sale?
Yes,
For example, I want to get $10.
$10.
I wanted to get $10. Can you make the preset with $10?
Yes, why not?
P. Okay, P.
And press start.
Okay, open the nozzle. We can see two lights are on. It means the motor and the valve open. You can see two lights are flashing.
So this is operation by the keypad, right? So let us try by nozzle filling direction.
Is there any light for the nozzle switch? If we take up the nozzle,
Yes, USB.
the CPU can show any information?
Yes, yes. So this we're just testing now, right? Put nozzle here.
I think you should close the nozzle firstly. All right. When we take the nozzle up, this means we take up the nozzle, right? The CPU can show the light. The light is on. It means nozzle one. We take up the nozzle. Okay, hang up. Oh, stop. Okay. The light for motor and the solve off. It means machine stop. You can see the pulser. The pulser is always ready, but when the machine is filling, the light will flash in turn. The light will flash in turn. Let's try again. If we nozzle up, what happens? You can see here. Take up. Okay, the light on. It means the nozzle switch up.
So the motor keep running.
Motor begins to running. Is ready for filling. All right. So I think you get many information. For example, when the machine is ready, power on, this two light will be on. It means the CPU board is ready for working. When the machine begins to fill, this two light is on. It means the motor and the cylinder valve are ready. CPU board gets the signal. We are going to filling.
So we press this one. You can see the
What happened? Why do you press this button?
like you can like sell $56.
You mean when we
No
press
decimal.
integer, no decimal?
No decimal for money.
No decimal, so we no need to make any change.
Yes.
For faster business,
Yes.
if any customer comes for filling, we just press by integer.
Yes.
If we press by integer, it will stop with no decimal. With no decimal, for faster business, no need any change. We try again, okay? Just show us, please.
Let me put on another map.
All right, so the nozzle hand up.
Another switch, like all. Open.
Okay, nozzle up. We see the nozzle up. Pumper is running.
Sorry, the nozzle still open.
All right. Okay, so we press the integer. Let's see what happened.
No integer. Let me press stop. You can see. You
Okay,
have small
okay, okay. We press stop firstly. Let's see what happened.
You can see how small.
Okay, random. It means the random filling. So it will show the decimal. All right, show me the function for the filling by integer. Stop by integer.
Now switch off. Switch open.
Okay, switch up. We can see the light for motor and the cylinder valve is on. Okay, press the integer. Let's see what happened. Okay, oh, I find it. I find it. No decimal. So no decimal, no change for faster business.
Yes, because sometimes you don't have the small money. Not easily for him to change.
Okay, if the station is busy, many customers waiting for filling, we can press integer, no change.
Even we can use another function.
So can we make the filling stop? Later no decimal. Can we make it no for later no decimal? Oh, press 0. You press 0.
Yes.
Press 0. Let's see what happened.
You can see now just a small one was open.
And you can see, because now the flow rate is slow, so we can see the pulsar. You can see two lights flash in turn.
Yes.
Two flash.
You can see.
Oh, okay. The flow rate, high flow rate for the solenoid valve stop. Now it's working with the low flow rate
And the motors.
and the motors. Motor is still running. And now the slow flow rate solenoid valve is working. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, let's see what happened. Because it's gallons, so it will be slowly. 2 gallons. So it will stop. It will stop at 2 gallons without a decimal.
If you prefer 1 decimal, our fuel dispenser can be preset. If you prefer for the in the another different have a degree, we can send it also. It's based on you. We are guiding book. We can show you if you want.
So
to
you mean in different countries? For example, Kenya, Tanzania, the unit price is bigger.
Yes.
So no need a decimal, right?
Yes. Tanzania, Kenya sharing is very big.
All right. So now we can see it. Price gallon sale has 2 decimals. We can see, right?
Yes.
how I want to get price sale no decimal, but gallon with 2 decimal.
Oh, okay, moment. Let me check the data.
菜大姐阁楼是令。Okay, now we set it only gallon. If you are the delay, go to 做大声，当过一杯给吃。Okay, pass. If the LCD display show pass, it means we have set the value. Now you can find it's no decimal. It's no decimal already. Okay. 0.0嘛，0带个呢，该机0是于是你要是日过一遍。
Let's start. See.
Okay, we try one and see what happens.
Now you can see. Sell no decimal.
Okay, open the nozzle please. Open the nozzle please. Okay, price sale no decimal, right? Only gallon with 2 decimal. So for Tanzania, for Guinea, the unit price is bigger. So we can make it without decimal. But can we make it sale 1 decimal, gallon 2 decimal, and the price 3 decimal? Can we make it like this?
Yes, let answer try for you.
Okay, we try. We set it for another country format.
Pass again.
Okay. 动作做一点，无的摆度，第啥就第啥，反正能退出。Okay, we can see.
Now see.
The price 2 decimal, right?
Yes.
And the gallon 3 decimal, and the sale 1 decimal. After pressing integer, let's see what happened. No decimal because we set it no decimal. It will stop at 30. It will stop at 30.那你娃要干没有演示干？OK， 中类肯尼过。
So we finish already.
Okay, you can see 1 decimal, 3 decimal, and 2 decimal. So different country, different market, he need a different decimal format. We can set it 20.
20. We have the
20 mode.
Yeah, we have the codes. If we need, we can show you. Through email also. So we can check the totalizer.
Electronic total.
Yes. You can see total here.
So this is the total for sale, right?
Yes.
This is total for gallon. All right. Let me try.
Here, display total.
All right, we can get the total. It's easy for managing.
Yes, so let me ask my engineer come to test how, show you how to testing our fuel dispensers.
All right. Okay, now we begin to show you how we test the machine, the accuracy. And we ask our professional engineer to do the test for you. 没关系，你就剂量打一次，去打一次剂量吧。As normal, we test the accuracy with 5 liter. Because we use the manual can 50 liter. because our measuring can is 50 liter. So this is a gallon. 13.21 gallon is equal to 50 liter.
Motor running. Usually, well, our engineer, after assembling already, will check the connector, flange. Here, have the leak or not. If leak, we will install again.
是这样的，看镜头。Now we test one time. We test one time because time is limited. We just test one time, show you how we make the testing for the accuracy.
This is our mainboard CPU, the brand. If you want updating our program, we connect here. But our program and the mainboard have the protect. Any others cannot writing and update our CPU directly. This is a new. This is a battery. Small battery for supply the power of our all-fuel dispenser for our mainboard.
We can find the machine stopped. Why is the machine stopped? Because there are many bubbles inside the measuring can, so it stopped. When the bubble vanished, we will begin to continue filling again.
Here is a pneumatic totalizer.
Oh, this is a mechanical totalizer. This is a mechanical totalizer. So we can also check the electronic totalizer, and also we can check it mechanical totalizer.
We can see that a match or not match.
So we will check the totalizer is same or not same.
Our brand have our logo selected. If you find our member have our logo selected. If you find this logo, it's our product. So let us want the last bubble go, then we will finish.
你要再拍下过去，要拍它那个量筒。We can see there is bubble inside the measuring can, so the machine stopped. We need to reach 13.21 for 50 liter. Okay, it reached 50 liter per 50 liter. And after the bubble vanished, we will check the accuracy. Our standard accuracy is 0.3%. It's our national standard. Ah. 噪音你刚才测了？没关系。哦，可以的。And we find the bubble vanished.
Our engineer come and write down the code.
And the engineer will calculate the accuracy. He will calculate.
So 30 minutes, 30 seconds.
The accuracy is 49.9. So our national standard is 0.3% for the accuracy.
level you can see is for testing no noise. Later we will check. Okay.
噪音的话标准是啥意思啊
80
the noise is standard is less than 80. We can see. This is the noise we just tested the machine. Less than noise 80.
Yes. So we can bypass. We need testing 9 times. High flow rate 3 times. Middle flow rate 3 times. And the low flow rate 3 times. We need to control, then the fuel dispenser can complete and then pass our testing. Then clean the clean and install the door and the packaging, wanting for shipping.
So if you want to get more information about how to operate the machine, you can send an email to us. Contact with us. We will send you more video, more information, photos. Try to give you more ideas. Now, let's our other colleague, Lynn and Amanda, to show you more different design of machine for you. Now let's go to our showroom. Okay, we go to the showroom. 就直接往那个大厅里面走。找点往西下给侬，讲工作搞的那个这个款啊，你那找得上，给两个对起来。
测试台上。
Hi everyone, welcome back.
Hi everyone, this is Amanda.
This is Lynn. Just now, our partner, our colleagues Jason and Edwin has showed our production department. And we have showed you our assembling line and also our testing platform. I think now all you are must very familiar with our production department now.
Yes, Edwin and Jason has introduced the line, include how to install the fuel dispenser, how to test the fuel dispenser. There are most 2 parts to produce the machine.
Yes, and also we show you how our fuel dispenser works, how to do the main operation of our fuel dispensers.
Yes.
So now I see some of our new visitors come, so we are glad to introduce our factory to you again.
Okay, we are the leading manufacturer of fuel dispenser, LPG and CNG dispenser. We have been in this field for over 21 years.
Yes, 21 years, that's a very long history.
Yes, and we are the OEM manufacturing. So if you have some special requests for the fuel dispenser, such as the logo, the color, or other functions, you can show us.
Yes, leave your message to us. We will reply you at our first time. And also please follow our account. In future, when we have new advertisements, you will get them at one time.
In past 1 hour, we have got a lot of messages from our visitors.
Yes, so what are they asking about?
Most such as how much the fuel dispenser costs.
Yes, they are very interested in our products. So they're asking, how much is our dispenser?
Yeah, and how to do payment.
Mhm.
Can't wait to place
Place
the order.
Yes, that's very good. I think through today's live stream, you will be very sure to get our products.
Yes. If you haven't visited us in past 1 hour, no worry about that. We will introduce again for other details.
Yes, so don't leave our live stream. Keep here and follow us.
Okay.
So Amanda, what we go next?
I wanted to show one of the most popular fuel dispenser again,
Mm-hmm.
the Star products.
Okay, 5-star products.
Yes,
right?
5-star. Do you know?
I know, yes. We have shown this machine to you on our last live stream, and
Yeah.
we've got a big order of that design.
Yes, a lot of visitors interested in it and do business with us.
Yes, so we can't wait to see it. Let's go.
Okay. This way.
Okay, here is the machine we'd like to introduce you in this live stream.
The name of this machine is Win Plus.
Win Plus series.
Yes.
Yes, so why we called it Win Plus? Because we want to get a win-win business relationship with you.
Yes, it's a wonderful meaning for the machine.
Mm-hmm.
In fact, we also got a lot of order from our customers. We are double win together.
Yes. So Amanda, for this machine, can I make it just a single nozzle?
That's fine. We have a lot of design, but no worry, we can introduce 1 point to 1 point, one by one.
Okay, one step by one step.
Yes.
Okay, first let's see the electronic part.
Yeah. Our machine has two main parts. One is the electronic part.
Electronic part, and
Second is the hydraulic part.
hydraulic part.
Okay.
Electronic and hydraulic. So can we have a look at the electronic part first?
Yes, we can
Okay.
check it carefully.
Okay. Here
Look.
inside we can see our main board, our power board, and transformer, filter. Here we have shown in our production department. So here we call the electronic controller part. In this part, it controls our fuel dispenser working.
It looks like the brain of some human.
Yes, the heart of the machine.
Yes, it's very important.
Mhm.
We have the most important technology here.
Yes. So,
Okay, let me show you the
okay,
hydraulic
we can
part.
open the hydraulic. Okay, here we can see the main mechanical parts, the motor, pump,
Pump,
and
flow meter.
So our machine contains two parts. One is
Electronic part and
electronic part and
hydraulic part.
yes, two parts. So we will start one by one.
Yes, we should confirm the details one by one.
Okay, okay, Amanda. One of our viewers is asking, how much is it?
How much? I wanted to answer the question immediately, but I don't sure how to quote the price.
Okay, it's not. We need to know more details, then we can give you the price, right?
Yes,
So, what information should I provide to if I want to get this costing?
yeah. If you want to place an order, we should let me know how many nozzle do you request.
How many nozzles
Yes.
you need, right?
Yeah.
So, for example, this machine, how many nozzles? This
For
machine?
example, this machine has two nozzles.
Two nozzles, but I only see one nozzle here.
Look, there another one in back.
Okay, so it is a double nozzle machine.
Yes, it's double nozzle machine. In some country, we call it a twin nozzle machine.
Okay, one nozzle put in front and another one.
In back.
Okay, so customers can fill in different direction.
Yes, that's
Okay,
correct.
so can I make with more nozzles?
Yes, you can check here zero space.
Okay, extra space for
Yeah.
for another nozzle.
Yes,
Yes.
we can have two nozzle in front and two nozzle back.
Okay, you mean put both nozzles in front,
Yes.
two, and back also we add two nozzles. That's total four nozzles.
Of course.
Okay.
For the wind plus fuel dispenser, the two nozzle machine and the four nozzle machine, they are have the similar size.
Okay, similar size. So can I make it with six nozzles?
Six nozzle, it's no problem. We will make the machine much more wide.
Okay, good. Six nozzles. Okay. So how about eight nozzles?
Eight nozzle,
Mm-hmm.
it's very wide one
Okay.
and
for
heavy.
front we needed to put four nozzles.
Four nozzle.
And back also we have another four nozzles.
Yes, maybe in some country they have petrol, diesel, and the
Different oil products.
yes,
So they request for more nozzles.
yes,
Okay, I see. So everyone, are you clear? If you want to get our price, the first item we need to know is how many nozzles
Nozzles.
do you need and how many oil products do you use in your filling station.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
The second one, we want to confirm the voltage of the fuel dispenser.
Okay, second, to confirm the voltage of
Yeah.
the motor.
There are around two voltage in the world. Popular one. First is 220.
220.
In China, we usually use 220.
Yes.
And another is 380.
380.
Yeah, the two voltage is most popular one.
Okay, so mainly we use 220 and 380.
Mm.
So I see some country also use 110.
Yeah, 110.
So we can also make it.
Yes, of
Okay,
course.
that's
And
good.
we also have the voltage for 12 and 24.
Okay, excellent. 12 and 24. 110, 220, and 38. We can make all different types of the voltage.
Of course, because we are the OEM manufacturing.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so we just now talk about the two items we need to know. First is we need to know
How many nozzles do you need?
and second is
The voltage in your country.
okay. So what's the voltage of this machine?
For this one, we can see there a blue motor here.
Yes.
In our company, this one is 220.
220. So we can also change it to a different motor.
Yes,
Okay.
request
So
you.
can I get the price now if I tell you the nozzle I need and also the motor? Can I get a price now?
No, we need to confirm another part.
Oh,
Very important.
Still need another item.
Yeah.
So what's that?
You see, it's the flow meter and the pump.
Mm-hmm. Yes, just in our production workshop, we have introduced you the pump and flow meter types. So we need to know the flow meter and pumps.
Yeah, but in this fuel dispenser, the flow meter and pump is not the all types.
Mm-hmm.
Let me show you.
Okay. Okay, I see in this picture, it shows one, two, three, four, four different types.
Yes.
Can you introduce one by one?
Yes. This one is Bennett type. The Bennett is a USA brand, now popular in our country.
Okay, Bennett type.
Yeah. Another is Tatasuno type.
Tatasuno. So,
Where is it from?
The brand is from
It's from Japan.
Okay, from Japan.
Yes. So this one is popular in around the countries,
Very famous in Asia market.
of course.
Okay,
The third one is token type.
token type.
This one is very heavy.
Heavy. So yes, just now we have mentioned the material is cast iron.
Yeah, cast
So,
iron.
The pump and flow meter is very
Heavy. Token is a French brand.
Mm-hmm.
In some countries, they are popular,
Yes.
such as in
In Africa
Africa
market.
market.
Okay, I see. So Bennett, Tatasuno, Tokin. So what's the last one? I see it is different Tokin or different Bennett.
Yeah.
It is a combination with Bennett and Tokin. What is
Yes.
it?
It's a combination type. B means Bennett.
Mm-hmm.
T means token.
Okay, so why customers choose to mix these two different types?
Because in some countries, the token pump a flow meter, the material is cast iron,
Yes,
but it's not count against the rusty.
yes.
So they replace the flow meter to be Bennett.
Mm-hmm.
Bennett is light and against the rusty.
Okay, because the material is aluminum.
Yeah, aluminum.
Aluminum.
Yes.
Okay, so I see in our this machine, it is a talking pump with a Bennett flow meter.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
If you need this one, please leave a message for us.
Yes, follow us and leave me your message. We will check and reply you on time.
Of course.
Yes. So, okay, let's go on. And we have introduced the first four types. What's the second
Another
one?
Second one. The first four types, the hydraulic parts with motor and pump,
Yes.
but the submersible type without pump.
Yes, without pump and motor.
Yes.
So
Any difference?
Where is the pump and motor going?
Can you guess?
I'm not sure. Can you explain that?
Yeah, this one can work well, but without pump and motor.
Yes, how can it work?
Let me show you another one.
Okay.
Can you find the motor and the pump here?
Yes, it indicates the motor and pump. The red one pump.
Yeah.
And another motor here.
The motor.
Mhm.
So how to use the pump and the motor?
I see the motor and pump different as a suction one, right?
Of course.
Also, how to install it?
Install it. Do you know what's this?
It's the tank.
It's a tank, a very big tank.
Mm-hmm.
Look, this is the motor.
Okay, motor, we put it inside the tank.
Yeah, deep to the bottom.
Yes.
It's only 15 or 20 centimeter space to the bottom.
Yes.
And this one is the
Pump.
yes.
The pump installed above the tank while the motor is inside.
Yes, it's red. The red one, please check again. This is the pump on the above the tank.
Okay. Installed with a manhole.
Yes, manhole. This another picture shows the pump.
Okay, so I know now. The suction one, the fuel dispenser use the motor and pump itself. But
Yeah.
the submersible one, we install the motor and pump together with the tank.
So, do you know how many fuel dispenser can share the motor and the pump together?
I'm not sure. Can you indicate? Can you explain?
Yeah. In the big filling station, they have a lot of fuel dispenser. They will cut the cost, save a lot of money if you use the submersible pump. This one can supply 6 fuel dispenser.
Okay, so it can decrease the budget for
Yes.
the station owner.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So if I am the station owner, I think I will choose a submersible one. How about you?
Yeah, you can leave messages if you wanted to start a new filling station. Which type do you need?
Suction one or the
Submersible.
submersible one?
Yeah.
Now submersible one is becoming more and more popular.
Yes,
Yes.
it's
So
easy.
we have asked our customers about how many nozzle he needs and the
Voltage.
and also the pump and flow meter types. So in this way, can we get the price now?
I can give you the basic price,
Okay, the basic price, that's good.
but not all the actual price. If you want to get the
Correct.
correct price for the fuel dispenser, we should know more. Because some customers want to make their machine charming.
Okay, be more
Yeah,
attractive.
fashion.
Charming.
Yes.
So do we have any idea to make our machine be more attractive?
Yes, we have a lot of functions. They are not must be necessary, but they are very useful for your machine and not cost a lot.
Okay, you mean not needed,
Yeah,
but very useful.
very useful.
Okay, so let's introduce you our optional functions. You can choose if your budget is enough. You can add these functions on your machine.
Okay, let's fun. Let's looking for the additional function from the fuel dispenser in our showroom.
Okay, so we still start from this machine.
Okay, there are a lot of functions. First,
Okay. Oh, this machine, I see there is a player here. What is this?
this one is media player.
Media player.
Yes,
So it is a player.
yeah.
So what medias can it play?
Yeah, the player is not working at the moment. Let me show you how to work.
Okay.
Okay, help me please.
Okay. Open it.
Open. Do you know this one?
Okay. It is a USB driver.
Yes,
We download the
picture,
pictures,
video,
videos.
or the
Music.
music.
Okay. So we
It's very easy.
connect, plug it with this player.
Pay attention.
Okay,
It's
very
working.
good. It's now working.
Yeah, it's a video of our factory.
Yes, it displays now.
Yeah,
So you can put your advertising here.
yeah. If
When
you
your customer is waiting for filling,
Yes.
you can look at this video.
Yeah, if you want to show some information of your filling station with the driver, you can show some pictures or some video.
Yes, that's very good. But as you say, it is not necessary,
Not necessary.
but it is very useful, very attractive for the customers.
Yeah, if you want to show some local culture, you can buy the fuel dispenser with the media player.
Okay, that's good.
Sometimes it's very useful for you.
So the player, now it is play the videos.
Video,
So we can also play the
picture,
pictures,
music,
music.
or some document you want to show.
Okay, very good. So anyone, are you interested in this player? Leave your message to us.
Yes, this media player can be designed in all fuel dispenser.
Okay, so I think it is a little small. Can I have a big one?
Yes, we have a very big one.
Okay.
We can put the big one in the middle.
Okay, I see. There is a space here.
Yeah.
We can design a big one to show much more clear to our clients.
Yes, we can change the design and put on the media player
Okay,
in the
that's
top.
good. I will think about it.
Okay. If you're interested in this media player, please let me know. Okay. Another one,
Another one. We introduce you a second one.
the red one.
What's this?
It's emergency stop switch.
Emergency stop switch. So I can know the function from its name.
Yes.
For the emergency stop, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I want to know more details.
I think you can try it firstly. You will know what's the function about that.
Okay, now the machine is under the working
Yeah, it's
situation.
working now.
So how to use it?
It's very easy to push.
Push.
Very easy to
Okay,
push.
have a try. Okay, the power cuts off immediately.
Immediately.
So it can protect our controller.
Of course. If something dangerous happened or emergency situation, we should stop the dangerous immediately.
Yes, for sure. So how to power on?
Look, we can turn
turn it.
on.
Okay, now the power gets back. Oh, I know. I think it is very important. And also it's necessary. So I will choose to add the emergency stop button on my machine, on
Yeah.
my station.
I suggest you have an emergency stop switch in your fuel dispenser. It costs little,
Yes.
but it can protect your whole fuel dispenser very well.
Okay, that's very useful one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's go to the third one.
Okay, we introduce the player, the emergency stop button. Okay, let's move the next one.
Okay, let me show you two types of swivel.
Swivels.
Yeah.
Okay, here.
Let
So
me
we
show
can
you.
show you our swivels in close look. Okay, we
Yeah.
can put our camera near to our swivel.
Okay, we can show it.
Okay, this swivel, it means it can make our nozzle turns in different directions.
Yes, because sometimes the car may be not very near from you.
Yes, so
Yeah.
The workers
Yeah.
can feeling more convenient.
Yeah, we can go to the left side or go to the right side to fill the car. See, there are two parts can be wrong.
Okay, so it is very convenient for filling. Okay, so for the swivel, can I choose to install it?
Of course you can.
Okay, so everyone, if without this swivel, it may be a little difficult for workers to start refilling. But with this swivel,
It's easy to do that.
yes. So swivels, I will need it. How about other optional functions?
Another one is the breakaway.
Okay, I see another swivel at the top of the hosepipe. Breakaway.
Yes,
What's the function
breakaway.
of this breakaway?
First one, we have shown you the emergency stop switch
Yes, it helps the controller.
for the controller.
So what is this used for?
This one can protect the whole fuel dispenser.
Whole dispenser, whole
Yeah.
station. How?
For it's very easy to explain when we are filling for the car.
Yes.
Maybe the driver don't know that if it's finished or not.
So
They
you
drive
mean
away.
The worker hasn't take off the nozzle from the car,
Maybe.
but the driver run away.
Yes,
Drive away.
the car drive away with the nozzles.
So it is very dangerous. It will pull our machine falling down.
Fall down immediately.
Yes. So how to prevent this situation?
Yeah, if we have pull the horse hardly, this
Okay.
one will break away. It's
Okay.
broken.
It will break away.
Yeah. So its name is breakaway.
Okay, so you mean when the driver drives the car away
Yes.
with this nozzle, but the hose pipe will break away.
Breakaway two parts.
Yes, automatically. So in this way, this hose pipe go away with the car, but another side, it still remain with our machine.
Yeah, so that the machine is protected.
Okay, very good. So we protect the machine, prevent it falling down.
Yes, that's correct.
That's very, very important for our machine, for our station.
Yeah.
Because if the machine falling down, it will be a huge loss for one station,
Yeah.
and we will face a big dangers.
Yeah.
Okay.
Another important thing is that it costs a little.
Later, yes. So the breakaway and the emergency stop button, we strongly recommend you
Yes.
install it on your machine.
Okay.
So if your budget is enough, remember to choose the breakaway and,
And
the
the
emergency stop
stop.
button. So Amanda, on this machine, it seems we have introduced all the functions.
Yes.
So what else functions do we have?
Let me show you something special on another machine.
Okay, another machine. Okay, let's go. Okay, here we see another design.
Yeah, another design.
So, I see there is a rolling display here. Is it also another function?
Yes, we call it a welcome LED.
Welcome LED.
Because usually we will show some words such as welcome to be our filling station.
Welcome to our filling station.
Yeah.
Okay, we see. Here it shows welcome to Janine Machine Filling Station. So it is a welcome word to show to our drivers.
Yeah, it's not the only one. We can change the words,
Change the words.
such as no smoking.
Okay, no smoking.
Yeah,
It can remind the driver no smoke.
yeah, it's dangerous. Or the price of the fuel today.
Okay, so it is very important word to show to drivers.
Yeah,
Okay.
the driver no need to ask the staff how much is the fuel, how much is the petrol today. They can find the information on the LED.
Okay, so I'm thinking about because in my country,
Yeah,
people doesn't use English.
no
So
English.
our customer is asking, can I change the language?
Of course, we can change the language as you request.
Okay, so
All the words.
what kind of language can we use?
English,
English,
French,
French,
Spanish,
Spanish,
Russian,
Russian.
a lot of country
Oh,
language
okay.
can be used.
Do you mean all the language around the world?
Yes, if you show me the words, we can show it. Of course, you can change the word yourself.
Okay, very good. Your engineer is great. So I can use our own language to show on this display board.
Yes.
Okay.
Another point, now we read the words from left to right.
Yes.
But in some countries, they read from right to left.
Yes, such as Arabic.
Arabic. We can
Okay.
change it. No
Okay,
problem.
Change the rolling direction.
Yes.
Okay, excellent. So this is optional function.
Yeah.
And I also see the emergency stop here.
It's necessary for all fuel dispenser.
Yes. So what's this? It is a small box.
It's not small box. There are some secret in it.
Okay. It says a micro printer.
Yeah, it's a micro printer.
The printer, okay, the ticket printer.
Yes, we can show our visitors how to the printer work.
Okay. The tickets come out. So we show the tickets to our viewers.
Okay.
It shows the
The
sale,
price.
the liter, the price, and also shows the
Okay, let me show you. We can see the information. Welcome to our filling station. The price, liter, volume, amount, the date, or some words you want to show.
Okay, it's a very useful and important receipt.
Yeah.
I know some drivers, he has a habit to keep the receipt. Then he will know how much he used.
For a whole year, for a whole month.
Yes, very important. I like this receipt.
Yeah.
So can I change the information on this receipt?
Of course you can.
Okay, we can change the different station name.
Okay.
And also we can show you the more information as you need. We can do it. So just let us know your request. We will make it as per your request.
Okay, that's easy. For this one, the microcomputer, one nozzle match one piece.
Yes,
It
because
can't be sure.
it controls with one nozzle.
Yeah,
It only gets one nozzle filling record.
yeah.
Okay.
If you filling by the left nozzle, we do print here. If we do another nozzle, we
This
should
is in
print
another
another printer.
Okay, very good. So now we have introduced you our different functions. We have shown you the LCD player. We show you
LCD.
the emergency stop button. We show you the swivel,
Swivel, two
the break
cans.
away, and also the LED display and the printer.
Yeah.
Yes, so if you want to add one of them, it's okay. And if your budget is enough, you can choose to take them all.
Yeah. Welcome to leave message for us. Someone has asked for the price. Now you can leave complete message such as how many nozzle, how about the voltage, which type, pump and flow meter.
Use.
Yes.
Okay.
And which additional function do you need?
Yes, so we will check all the information, then we can give you an accurate price, accurate quotation.
Yeah, of course you can leave your contact information, your WhatsApp number, or your email address. We will contact with you in time.
Yes. So next, what we talk about?
We have introduced two fuel dispensers. There are two nozzles.
Yes.
We have talked that we can have 8 nozzle, 6 nozzle, even 10 nozzle fuel dispenser. Let me show you a very big machine.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, show the big one. Have you found?
This is really the big one.
Very big one.
So I see it is very different.
Yes.
The former dispensers we showed. So I see here, these are for the fuel. What's this nozzle used for?
We have marked here. It's LPG.
LPG is used for gas, right?
It's for gas.
Okay, so this machine can work for both fuel and gas.
Yeah, if we have this machine, no need to have another LPG machine.
Okay, because in some countries, they not only use the fuel, the gas is also very popular.
Yeah, most of them is very important for their life.
Okay, so we see there is a display for the fuel and another display for the gas.
For the gas. And also there is an emergency stop switch.
Emergency stop switch is important for not only fuel but also important for the gas. So this is a very huge dispenser. How many nozzles for the fuel?
1, 2, 3. It's a 3 nozzle in front, and there are 3 nozzle back too.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 for the,
fuel.
and for the gas we have.
2 nozzles.
Okay, so can I add one more for the fuel?
Of course, we can have 6 nozzles for the fuel and
Okay, so the machine will be more longer.
yeah, longer and wide. Of course, you can add another gas nozzle.
Okay, so we know we not only make the fuel dispenser, we also make the LPG dispenser, and even more, we can make them mixed together, combination. So if anyone in your country both use the fuel and gas, you can choose this design.
Yes. By the way, other fuel dispenser in our showroom, we use the nozzle is for fuel. But we can change the design, can be LPG. It's no problem.
Okay, so you mean the machine just now we showed can also make into LPG dispenser?
Yes.
Okay, that's very good.
Only show me which design do you prefer.
Okay, you can ask for to get our catalog and you choose the model you like. We will design it for you.
Yeah, leave message for us. We will share with you more information.
Yes. So we have showed you our popular design and we introduce you how to get our quotation and how to choose actional functions to make your dispenser be more charming, be more attractive. So next, we are going to introduce you our spare parts.
Yeah,
so you
some
can
small
choose,
spare parts.
yes, choose different spare parts to make your dispenser be more different.
Yeah, because we are OEM manufacturing.
Okay, let's go to our spare parts section.
Okay.
Okay.
可以讲吗？
Okay, on this board, we listed a lot of spare parts. Let's go one by one, okay?
Yeah, it's almost all of our spare parts.
So first, we check the first line. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 different 4 types LCD displays.
Would you show me the difference between them?
Okay. So the first big difference is their shape.
The shape.
So we check the first one. It is a square.
Square.
And the second one, it has 2 different parts.
Yeah.
And the second one, the third one, different is the price position. One we put in middle, and one we put it on the right side.
Yeah.
And this one, we make it separate.
Separate.
This is a difference.
It's a different. Why we have so many different design for that?
Because in some countries, customers want to see the price separately. Then he can know the selling price of the fuel immediately. If we together, he will attract the price. So, so it depends on your interest, which one you like.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4 different types.
May I know the price of each other? Are they same or not?
They are a little bit different. So this one is the cheapest.
Cheapest one is separate.
Yes, we see it use the less LCD, and this one is little expensive, and this one costs the most because we see it use
A very big.
big LCD.
Okay, I get.
And what difference do you find?
I can't wait to ask why the words is different?
Okay, these are the different languages. Let's check here. It shows a gallon here.
Why?
So-
It's not liter.
Yes, gallon. So it is mainly used in American market.
American.
They use gallon instead of liter.
Yes, that's good.
So do you know what language is it?
Is anyone from this country?
Okay, yes. One of our customer replies, it is their country's language from Russia.
Russia.
Yes. And here we can also mix different language as you need. Arabic,
Arabic.
Thai language, English, any other language we can show here.
Okay, it's really OEM, right?
Yes, just let us know your request.
Oh, can we show the by two words? Because some country the local language is popular and also the English.
Oh yes, for example, in Africa,
Africa.
they use English and also French.
Also
Right.
French.
Yes, we can make it. We will make another language near the first language.
Oh, that's good for the local people.
And yes, and last for the LCD displays, we have the different colors. So from this board, we can see it is white color.
White color.
Here it is a little different. It is a blue
The
color.
blue color.
Yes, different color, we will get different effective on the different sunlight or in the dark night.
Oh, okay, dark night. Is any difference when it's working? How about the color of the words?
The same, so it just depends on your like.
Okay.
As you like, we can send and make it for you. Okay, so we have introduced you the LCD display. You can, after you confirm the order, you can send us which one you need, the color, the language. We will make it to you.
So the display board, they have the same function, but the shape is different,
Yes, shape different.
color different,
Yes, and color different.
and the words different.
Yes, was different, exactly. So next, let's move to the keypad.
Keypad.
Okay, keypad, you see we listed different types of the keypads.
Yes.
We have two materials of the keypads. One is
Plastic.
plastic,
Yeah.
and another is metal.
Metal.
And it also depends on your like. Some customers choose the plastic one.
It's colorful.
Yes, colorful. It will make your machine be more charming.
Yes. In some machine need that one.
Yes. All of the functions are the same, just a different design, different looking.
Really? I found some difference between them
Yes.
because the buttons is different.
Yes, the buttons is different, so we can have a close look at our keypads. Okay, camera. We show near to our viewers about the different types of the keypads. For these two keypads, what's the difference do you see?
I found that they both of them have the number button,
Yes.
but this one without the P1, P2, P3, and P4 buttons.
Yes, exactly.
What's the function of that?
Okay, P1 to P4 buttons are used for the preset. In some stations, we can put the letter or the amount in these buttons in the programs. For example, we can put 10 letter here.
10
We
liter?
can put $200 here.
Dollar.
So when our driver is coming, he is asking, I want 200. So we press the P2. Then the driver can get what he needs directly.
Okay. Maybe in some countries they usually have 10 liter or $1.
Yes, we can preset. So it can shorten the worker's working time.
Okay, usually
Okay.
I go to the filling station.
How much oil do you ask for?
100% full.
Oh, okay.
Must
Yes.
be full.
Yes, sometimes I ask for 200 and sometimes I ask for 30 liters.
So this button is very useful
Yes.
and convenient.
Yes. And these are the horizontal type. Here are the vertical type.
Vertical type.
But mostly the functions are the same. Just this one, it has a
Card.
gap for the card. We have the management system for the IC card, so people can come to fill by their card.
Yeah. Okay.
So which one you like to put in your dispenser? Leave your messages. We will check and send our new design for you.
Yeah, we usually recommend this one with waterproof.
Seal.
Yes.
This is the standard one. If without any request, we will make this one.
Classic one.
Yes, classic one. Okay, next, we will show you our spare parts on our dispenser. These are the swivels,
Swivel.
and here are the oil indicators. We can check the oil quality from this glass. These are different types. These oil indicators are installed at the bottom, or some customer put it at the top. And here, different one. This material is aluminum, so it is much lighter.
Light.
This is a breakaway.
Wow.
Just now we have
introduced.
shown you. Yes, introduce this function. So if you want to choose to add it, we will put it on our machine.
Yeah, we have introduced this one before.
Swivels
Swivel.
to make our fuel nozzle working be more convenient and efficiency. Okay, here are the different colors of our hose pipe. It is also another optional function.
Because for some oil fuel dispenser we have 4 nozzle or 2 nozzle, 3 nozzles.
Yes,
How to get the right nozzle immediately?
yes.
Maybe some customer want to choose the red one for petrol.
Red one for petrol.
Yeah, the yellow one for diesel.
Yes,
And the blue one for gasoline.
yes. So
Yeah.
the worker can get the correct oil immediately.
Yeah.
And the colorful hose pipe also make our fuel dispenser be more
Charming.
be more
Yeah.
attractive, right?
We can find a rainbow from far.
Yes, compare with the black one, the colorful one are much more better, right?
Yeah, it's fashion.
Yes, so which color do you like?
Yeah, show me and leave messages.
Yes, we are glad to get any of your questions.
Okay, we have another size of further hose pipe.
Okay, different size of the hose pipe. The standard 3/4,
3/4.
1 inch, 1.5, and 2 inch. The big hose pipe, the flow rate is big, right?
Yes. If you have a very high-speed machine, we recommend 1 inch, 1.5 inch,
And
even 2
2
inch.
inch. Yes, because for the high flow rate, sometimes it is used for the industrial use.
Yes.
So we can make it. Okay, so everyone, today we have introduced you our workshop.
Yes.
In workshop, we have shown you how to assemble our fuel dispenser. And also we show you the difference between suction and
And the
submersible type.
submersible.
And also we go to the text testing platform, we show you our workers testing, how to test our dispenser before we sending it out.
Yes, such as how about the noisy, how about the speed, how to check the flow rate, and how to check the totalizer.
Yes, and we also show you some basic operation of our fuel dispenser.
Do you remember the inner structure? There are
Yes,
four,
different types.
four sections. Bennett type, token type, Tatasuno type,
Yes.
and some is token and Bennett together.
Yes, and that's for the section. And
Yeah.
next we introduce the submersible type.
Submersible type. It's usually for big filling station and get more and more popular in a lot of countries.
And we also introduce you the optional functions such as player,
Yeah, player, media player.
yes, emergency stop button.
Yeah, it's for every fuel dispenser in
Very
our
important. We also introduce the swivels,
Swivel.
breakaways, and the LED display, and also
the micro printer.
yes, the ticket printer. So we and at last we show you our different spare parts.
All of them is small spare parts, but it's very important for our machine too.
Yes, we not only provide you the whole machine, we also provide you the small spare parts.
But they are not all the spare parts in our factory. We have a big catalog. There
Yes.
are much more spare parts in it.
Yes, so leave your email address to us. We will check and send you our catalog.
Okay, that's fine.
Because, okay,
Okay, if you have any questions, you can leave message because 1 minute later the time is out.
yes. So due to the COVID-19, customers can't visit our factory. So through today's live show, I think our customers will be more familiar with our factory and also our products.
Okay, sir, we have 3 minutes to answer the questions.
Okay.
How
We
to
have-
do the payment?
How to do the payment?
Yeah,
We accept TT.
TT.
We accept LC. We accept Western Union and PayPal. And also we accept Alibaba orders.
So many way to do payment.
Yes, so just let us know your convenient way. We will send you the payment method.
Yes, we can with the US dollar.
Or RMB currency.
Yeah.
Both of them are okay.
It's
Yes.
easy. Okay, another question: how to deliver the goods?
How to
And
deliver
how long?
the
How long
goods?
time?
How long? From China?
Yes.
Okay.
How many time to finish the order?
Okay. So now in our production schedule, we can finish one container order in 20 to 25 days.
Yeah.
So we will use the container, the sea shipment, arrange the sea shipment. So let us know your destination port. We will arrange the sea shipment to you.
Yeah, it's not a very big problem for us.
Yes.
Okay, another questions. What's the medium quality to place order?
Okay, the MOQ.
Yes.
We accept one order for the sample order.
Sample
no
order.
problem, yes. Okay, so if you have any interest, let us know. We will check. And we accept one piece order, so don't hesitate to place order to us.
Okay, time will out.
Okay, so everyone, thanks for watching today. So
Thank you.
we will have our following shows, so don't leave us and follow us. We will put our new advertise on this website.
Okay, at the end, thank you for our team.
Yes, thank you for watching. See you next time.
See you.
Bye.